Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your Twitter settings to either hide or show sensitive content. This method I've found works best, especially if you've been trying to find these settings on the Twitter mobile app. I was having issues where I wasn't shown the option, but as soon as I went to the web version of Twitter, I found it right away. To get started, open any web browser, head to twitter.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. At the homepage, select More on the left menu. In here, choose Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Safety, and then Content You See. In here at the top, you'll then see the option to display or not sensitive media content. Change the preference to what you prefer. Another setting that you can change affects direct messages. Tap Privacy and Safety again or hit the back button and then choose Direct Messages. You can then either check or uncheck Filter Graphic Media inside of here. When you're finished, you can head back to the Twitter homepage or just close the window. And that's how you change your Twitter safety preferences to either show or block sensitive media content. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.